Hi royalties, welcome back to Glam Queen of Decor, and if you're new here, welcome. Now today's video is going to be a glamorous summer tablescape. If that sounds interesting, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright royalties, let's get this glam summer tablescape video started. And these are the items that we are using to create this summer glamorous tablescape. And you guys, all of my items that I purchased, the links will be down in the description box, so please make sure you do check out that description. It is always some useful information in that description for you. Now we're finna actually get this table set up. Please go through with me as we set up this summer glam tablescape. And I just took my floors and put it in this vase, and this vase was actually from Burlington for my centerpiece. Now again, my chargers are actually from Tablecloth Factory. Everything that is used in this summer glam tablescape, I will be listing those items with the codes in my description. Now the plates and the dessert plate I actually got from Dollar General a year and a half or 2 years ago, you guys. I've had them for a while. And my napkins came from Tablecloth Factory as well. And my napkin rings are actually from Totally Dazzle. Click my Total Dazzle link in the description and you'll receive a discount. It don't cost you anything extra to use my links, you guys. I'll just receive a small commission if you do. And my glassware is from Dollar Tree. And to you guys, you're going to be still seeing some tablescapes and some videos that you're going to kind of see that my home has changed. I've done some changes, so I'm just getting out the content because we were running behind for the month of July. Wasn't still feeling as well as I needed to, you guys, but I am feeling a lot better. And thank you guys for your prayers and your well wishes that you didn't send me. I appreciate it so very much. And if this is your first time tuning in to the channel, thank you so much for clicking on the video. Make sure you do subscribe to the Glam Queen of Decor, the home of all things home decor, the Glam Queen of DIY, the do-it-yourself channel, and Glam Queen Unboxing. And we do hauls and shop with me's. Now you guys, let's get ready for the reveal. This is the overview of my table. I'm going to do a pan around view and let you look at it. To you guys, I hope this did inspire you, and if you was inspired at all, drop me a comment down in the comment section and I will keep bringing you content like this. And like I say, if this is your first time here, leave me a comment. I'm new here, and tell me what you would like to see here as well. And if this is your first time tuning in, welcome, welcome, welcome. Now, here on the Glam Queen of Decor, we are a glam home decor and lifestyle channel, but we feature tablescapes, room tours, home tours, entryway styling, coffee table stylings, bar cart styling, mantel styling. We style anything that has to do with the home. You will get it here. You get a little bit of a few minor home updates as well. You also get hauls and shop with me. So anything that's home decor related, you will get it here. We also do feature a weekly live chit chat as well. So if all of that sound interesting, make sure you do become a part of this Glam Queen family. And if you're becoming a family today, don't forget the Glam Queen brand, because we do have the Glam Queen of DIY and Glam Queen Unboxing. We would love for you to be a part of this royal family. And to you guys, we will be uploading daily. You heard me right. We will be uploading daily for vloggers. That's a vlog every day in August. And we are probably going to still be uploading every day for September as well, because we have so much content that we did not get out for Christmas and July season. But thank you so much for watching the video, liking the video, and thumbing it up. And once again, if you're not a family member, make sure you do subscribe to the Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen of Decor, and Glam Queen Unboxing. I'll see every one of you in the next upcoming video. Be blessed.